Yo, what's up, guys? It's me, locked in back again for the video of chemistry lecture. We will have the two lectures today, means one lecture today because the exercise notes I've already shared. It's a repeated lecture again because the yesterday my voice was too low because I was far away from my mic. Today I've got a new mic also. So let's start our lecture of chemistry grade 9 lecture last two applications of science technology engineering and science technology engineering itself. So the people who couldn't listen, they can listen the new modified video. It will be available inside YouTube after I upload this. And I've still now not received any test of the 1.1, 1.2. So guys, please take it seriously and let's start our lecture today. We are having science, technology, engineering. So as we know, in the last lecture we did science, technology, engineering. It's the same thing which I said you, that science, technology, engineering from this you read or this, both are same, the Venn diagram or what is written over here. But I'm going to teach you guys the Venn diagram, but you can read the paragraph also. So in the Venn diagram, it is saying science is the systematic study to explore the natural world. Science intends to recognize the fundamental principles and process of the natural world. So remember over here, last time I said to the people who listen in the video also about this systematic, and then it is integration, and then it is application, application. These three are the key main points for science. Science, remember, I even give shortcut to remember this. S. We said, we talked that technology was we can say IT also, information technology, IT. So if we know integration, I with I, and if you don't remember the heading, you can remove the I, it will come T. T is what? T is technology. Then application, we know that one is remaining, so application, it is used over here. So basically science, we can say, study of the natural world. It is to explore the natural world. Technology, they all are interdependent and correlated, which is this is science is dependent on technology and technology is dependent on science. Technology is dependent on engineering and engineering is dependent on technology, and science is dependent on engineering and engineering is also dependent on science. So these all are correlated with each other. In short, you can write this, and long if it comes, then you can write the above text one. So then a technology integration of scientific knowledge for human needs is known as technology. This integration provides a pathway to development of system, technique, and tools. So basically over here it is discussing about integration of scientific knowledge for human needs. So we need our the things that we create, like mobile phone, is technology. But the most important example what we have over here is uh, MRI. It is working on all of these three bases. MRI machine, MRI machine. Then we can even say solar panels. They all are related with each of science, technology, engineering. All of this science, technology, and engineering are used in MRI machines. Um, Not only MRI machines, then we can see solar plants also, science, technology, engineering also use. And why we are seeing technology, we see technology in a way in which it is creating systems, techniques. We need tools uh, to create systems, or in natural world we study the natural world, we create theories, and we need something to show our theory design, in which we can we use tools to present our theories. And engineering is the final design, where we design it and use it in our applications of daily life, such as engineering is the application of scientific principles to construct and improve systems, structures, and machines. So application of scientific principle, remember this. One is scientific principle, one is scientific knowledge, and one is systematic study. These are three main points also I forgot to give in the last lecture, so please listen this lecture also. So science is scientific principle to construct and improve systems. जो बिल्डिंग बने हुए होते हैं वो इंजीनियरिंग की मदद से है, लेकिन साइंस भी होता इस्तेमाल होता है, कब इस्तेमाल होता है, कितना क्वांटिटी इस्तेमाल होता है, टेक्नोलॉजी भी होता है कि which type of design we should create the 3D model. It is created in technology only. Now going on forward, we can see over here it is applications of science, technology, and engineering. So this also is such that rusting of iron. Over here we can see in the picture rusting of iron. We should start in such a way that we know that bikes and cars rust over time. Scientists have known that there is a chemical reaction between iron, water, and oxygen that causes rust to form. Experiments are conducted and we have found methods to prevent rust. Easy method, easy way यानी सादे अल्फाजों में है कि it is rusting. रस्ट क्यों होता है? आयरन मौजूद होता है। रस्ट क्यों होता है? आयरन मौजूद होता है। आयरन और फिर आयरन के बाद क्या मौजूद होता है? वाटर। वाटर के बाद क्या मौजूद होता है? ऑक्सीजन। ऑक्सीजन अभी वाटर, ऑक्सीजन और आयरन, ये ऑर्डर मैटर नहीं करता। ये आयरन पहले होगा, वाटर फिर और ऑक्सीजन, या ऑक्सीजन वाटर की जगह में, या ऐसे इसको इधर की इधर या इधर, या वाटर को इधर भी कर सकते हैं। सो ऑर्डर डजंट मैटर, यू शुड जस्ट रिमेंबर दीज थ्री नेम्स: आयरन, वाटर एंड ऑक्सीजन. These are the three means for rusting. Remember, rusting, not Korean. Korean is different concept which we learn in electrochemistry, and this is rusting. Rusting is a concept in which iron, only for iron, rusting is used. Iron, we have iron when water falls upon it. So we can say when it rained, car tire, when it rains, of water vapors which are present inside the night dew drops which fall down, which is created by condensation. It is then having oxygen. Definitely we need oxygen to survive in our life. So oxygen is necessary. So let's going forward, it is solar energy. Solar energy, scientists may study the principle of photovoltaic cells. Now I'm not too well designed for designing designing it, but let me use crayon, because it is more significant to understand from a crayon, because the pen moves too quick. Then we can draw some lines with the help of the straightening tool, and let me draw the diagram first. Then in meanwhile I can explain you the concept that photovoltaic cells are those cells that help us to convert sunlight to the electricity. We use photovoltaic cells, and these are tiny cells which are present inside solar panels, which is created by science, technology, and engineering. And this is the major example. If they say what are write some examples of science, technology, engineering. So this is an example of science, technology, engineering all together, not only one. Up we studied over here. The rusting is only of study of science, nothing else. Now if we see over here, these tiny plate these tiny plated thing these plated things you can see over here, these we can say this, it is more tinier than this, is like too short, too small, but these are photovoltaic cells. Okay, so for let's go forward on our lecture. So we have photovoltaic cells, then it is converted into electricity. Technologists develop the solar panels. Now the design which is created is known by the solar panels, and these solar panels which are created, it is engineers are going to help. We can take example, as I said last time, even we can do from here to here, or from here to here will be our answer. Either you can do from scientist till infrastructure for this, or from in this example till sources, it will be solar energy. Designing a water filtration system. So look at the water filtration system chemists develop. It is this is this just discusses about engineering, that which type of engineers help us to develop and such a chemical engineer will develop processes to remove contaminants. Water will while mechanical engineer is designing the physical components. This is the physical components, and chemical engineering, they will use these will use specific substances to remove contaminants, and we'll get pure water by this tap which is present over here. Make sure to see the diagram perfectly, because I cannot I will zoom in and it will be more blur. So this is the diagram you can see inside your book. This you guys can read, but in overall I can say that organic later onwards. And then plastic bag is having monomers. Monomer is one, this is monomer. Now when monomers are having a chain of monomers, like a chain, it's not just this is going to become polymers, but it's millions of chains attached together. Like we can see polyethylene bags or shopping bags जो थैलियाँ मिलते हैं, like these people for monomers, means sorry, polymers. And then over here our example, our exercise got our chapter got over exercise question answers. I have already shared inside the group and the WhatsApp community. So till then it's me signing off. Subscribe.